Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create and manage customer master data in the system. To do that, we'll head over to the Customer Central application. In the previous video, we set up a contract for core special projects, so now we'll add a site for them. Later on, we'll use this site to create a work order. Here, you'll see a list of all customers, but since we're adding a site for core special projects, we'll select that customer. There's already one site listed, Permata site, based out of Sydney. We'll go ahead and add another site by clicking the Add button. First, we'll enter the site ID. This is designated as Core SO2, and select the site type. In this case, it's a project. Then, we'll add the site name. Let's call it North Sydney Site, along with a category and subcategory from the drop-down menu. Next, we'll fill out the contact person's details. Name, Justin Roger. Position, Project Manager. Contact number, if you want to enter. Address, 104 Walker Street, North Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. If needed, you can select the location from the list and define the latitude and longitude to track the site on Google Maps. In the email address field, you can enter the site's contact email. Here, we've added cores02@csp.com. The Serviced by Unit section displays details about the base office or location responsible for providing service to this site. Unit name is your base office location, from where you will service this customer site. We'll also add the distance from base office, 42 kilometers, and the estimated travel time, about 1 hour. Lastly, we'll select the service unit contact person, in this case, Peter Paul, who will be the customer's point of contact. Once everything is filled out, we'll hit Save. From there, you can track the location on Google Maps and, here from this graph, you can check out the sales trends to see how much revenue has been generated from this customer. That's it for this demo. In the next video, we'll move on to creating a work order for this newly added site under Core Special Projects. Thank you for watching.